What if I told you there was a way where you could make serious money from Airbnb without doing any work whatsoever? Hi guys, I'm Dave, the Airbnb Coach, and if you get some value from this, please share it with someone who wants to make money from Airbnb but doesn't have the time. Okay, so the way you're going to do this is by giving your property to an Airbnb management company. They effectively manage it for you. So the way it works is they're set up as a separate entity. You are the client and the property owner. Any money that they make is on your behalf, so it's your money. They do absolutely everything to do with the property. They do the cleaning, they get the listing set up, they deal with all the guests, they deal with maintenance, they deal with absolutely everything. You as a client do nothing at all. And for that work, they take a commission of the income. They're effectively letting agents, but for serviced accommodation. So in normal buy-to-lets, you would give your property to a letting agent, they would do all the work, finding the tenants, dealing with all their issues, they would take a small commission of the rent and pay you the rest. This is exactly the same for serviced accommodation. And just like letting agents, serviced accommodation or Airbnb management companies, they have skin in the game as well. So you as a property owner know that they need to be pushing your property, otherwise they aren't going to get paid. There's some serious money to be made in Airbnb or serviced accommodation, but it is a hospitality business. There is a lot of work involved. And if you're up for that, happy days. You can keep 100% of that. But if you've got a full-time job, you're not really sure you want to do it all yourself, or you just don't know how to do it, then Airbnb management companies are a perfect option. I hope you got some value from this. Please leave me a comment if you have any thoughts, and I'll see you next time.